there, it's Ashley from WTI. If you are looking to elevate your home decor, I highly recommend these planters from Opnons. This is the 12-inch and 10-inch. These are absolutely beautiful. I love this textured base of them. It is white with black speckles, and it is very textured but not too rough on your hands. These are heavy planters. They are very well made, fiberglass construction, and they do have wood legs here. These are a really light kind of pine legs at the bottom, and they just screw in. They're super easy to put on. I also like this detail here of the black that shows through, and these are not real plants. I do not have a green thumb, so I wanted to put in artificial plants that added some color to my room, that added some texture, some style. This is a mid-century modern look, and I'm really happy with these. I'm glad that I found them, and I'm going to order more because I like them that much. I like also that you can put them outside, inside, on your porch, and because they're heavy, they're not going to tip over. So I highly recommend these, 10 out of 10. I also really enjoy the drainage system of this. So it has a hole at the bottom. You can either plug it up, maybe you have it already in a pot, and you can just go ahead and stick your plant in there and it plugs from the bottom so no water will leak out. But it also has a drainage system where it actually has a strainer in there, and so the water can still come out, not overwatering your plants. And so that's a really nice feature of these planters that I haven't seen in other planters. So it really allows you to put a variety of different plants in here. And that's my point of view.